Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Star Wars Outlaws game controllers is not working. Guys, first solution is check connection. Make sure your controller is clearly connected for wired controllers. Ensure the USB is properly plugged in for wireless controllers. Ensure they are charged and paired correctly with your PC. Now this is the first solution, and the second solution is open up the Steam, then just click on the game Star Wars, then just click on the gear icon. Go to your game properties, and on the left hand side just go to the controllers and just choose here the disable Steam input. Guys, this is the most effective solution. Once you select this, now just launch the game, play the game, then check. If your controller is still not working, then just go to the properties again, go to the controllers and choose the enable Steam input. Once you select the enable Steam input, now launch the game, then check. Still controller is not working, then just choose the use default setting, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of these three and see which work for you, and I hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.